But how on the children to do this year, the Queen Queen. So glad for welcome on the children to Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week 2018. Yeah, right here upon the Charleston Harbor, the place where we ancestors before sea when they get right here the way called Charlestown back at yonder, but it's Charleston now. So we gonna kick this thing off today with one pre-launch event with we chefs, Marcus Milton and Chef BJ Dennis. They're going to be at a place called what? Daps, right here in the Chuck. But all throughout this year week, it's a Shark Week. So make sure you come by. We partner the South Carolina Aquarium. And then Red of us going by Hannibal's for get something for Nampon, going by Chuma Gallery for pick up some beautiful art and things like that. Make sure you get some sweet grass thing, and especially a palmetto rose. Track down the children and buy the palmetto rose all this year week. And carry your children to the Children's Museum of the Low Country. Now make sure if you done get your pass for the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, show that when you get to the Children's Museum and you get a discount. If you're following we on Twitter and Gullah Geechee Nation on Facebook, then you'll know the discount code for get in the South Carolina Aquarium too. Okay? So these all we partners were right here in the Chuck for this year. Yeah. And in North Charleston, going by Gullah Roots and get some things for your wear for this whole week of celebration. And other rest of the time, go to gullahgeechee.biz and put on one support week and get your Gullah Geechee gear. Because this year, but we for true. Because we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. So we so glad. One more again, we the shout right here, ready for Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Bring your drums to the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival next week, right here in Charleston too. You know how we do. Peace and blessings, everybody. See you right here.